Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Buick LaCrosse. We're going to start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps. Waterfall chrome grille does add a sharp feel on the front. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. And I'm going to take a look inside of the trunk. Plenty of storage room here in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Buick on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.